Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Masaya! Ay, ito. Tayo.
Ano daw?
Daw? Sa kabila na naman? Sa kabila daw tayo, sabi. Ah, hindi dito. Sa kabila daw.
Bakit daw?
Siguro may dadaan. Where is it? Baka.
Guys, grabe guys. First time ever. Lights on camera guys. Hello. Hello. Everybody so emotional dito po guys. Sabi po. Sinarado po talaga yung mismong road dito guys because of this. All of the roads were closed here because of this guys. We love you, Tatay Digong. Send him back! Send him back! Send him back! Send him back!
Send him back.
Send him back!
Send him.
Emotional, no? Grabe, grabe ka. I cannot even talk, guys, because it's so weird. The feeling. Hindi natin nakita si Tatay Digong kasi nga para siyang pinasok siya ng pabigla doon sa kabila. Sa kabila siyang entrance. Or that was allegedly na siya yon. Pero ngayon iba. So sa dinig mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting sa manlulup. Di ka pa sisiil sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mo'y buhaw. May dalagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kisap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kay pagbay di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng hatid pagsinta. Buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api ang matay ng dahil sa'yo. Hoy! Duterte! 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 Send him back! Send him back!
Send him back. 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 Send him back.
So guys, yung road dito guys, mismo talagang kinlose talaga siya. So walang makakapasok talaga dito na ano guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the police again. We're going to ask you to go home.
Why? 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 Okay.
Follow the rules, follow the rules. Ito po talaga nangyayari ngayon dito guys. Everybody, we are asked to obey the rules.
Guys, nawala na ako. Asa na sila? Oy, wala. Mama.
We no longer have the banner, guys. Wala na tayong banner po. Wala na po dito yung banner. Hindi.
Send him back!
Sabi niya.
Send him back! Oy, wala. Send him back! Send him back! Send him back! Send him back!
Sinisigaw po ng ating mga kababayan ngayon. We want former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte po to be brought back to the Philippines where he can
Hindi man lang pinahalo.
be tried by our courts, which are completely working, functioning very well. So I really cannot think very well right now because I'm so emotional. Parang nagiging blank na yung utak ko. Yung banner kay dagang no, dili na makuha ng banner actually because they already left.